Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Traders Corner. This is Vishnu Deepan here presenting this video. And I have come up with this video after a week. So as I have said in my previous video, I have mentioned very clearly market is at all-time high. So anyone will get a clear trendy move only if the high is broken or if we get a major reversal from the top. So as we see here, so this was the day which I have made analysis, which is on 21st. Market open on 24th. It remained sideways for the whole day. I think this was a Diwali day. Yes, it was a Diwali day. The next day market gapped up, and this was a huge sell-off candle in the opening itself. The rest of the day market was in a range, and again it fall down, and again followed by a 27. It was a gap up. Even it was a gap up market, either it did not proceeded bullish move, but it didn't break the previous day high and it did not go high, or else it did not break the day low and did not make much move. Again on 28, so only 28 was a trendy day, and rest of all the days it was kind of sideways only. So as I have said in the previous video, this was a level purely for option writers and option buyers, except on except on 3rd November and except okay 20th October, 1st November, and 3rd November. Only in these days, only the first of or the second of might have given one-sided move. The rest of days was all very clearly it was sideways. So it's a very good setup for option writers, and they would have enjoyed the play for almost 2 weeks. And if you see in Nifty, the same. This is what the levels I have marked. The market will come here, break this range, and it would stay here. So here also Nifty, it was a gap up opening on the 31st October. Okay, sorry. It was here on 24th, which was on Diwali day. It opened and didn't move much at all. It was in a range. The next trade opened very little moves on 25th. And again on 27th, it is minor moves. 27th, it gave a little bit of bullish move. And there was not much momentum in any of these days, if you see very clearly. All the 15 or each and every candles out here are 15 minutes candle, and you can see like there were not much moves at all. So anyone who might have entered in a trade, and if they're not in the right direction, or if they didn't scalp, and if they're holding it for a long time, options premium erosion would have been great, and one would be in loss. So this is what I have mentioned in case of Bank Nifty and Nifty. Okay, so we'll have the levels for upcoming week. So downside levels, it remains the same as they were not tested at all. So in case of Nifty, we are still in a tight range until unless we get a solid closing above this. Right now we are in a weekly candle and we have got minor rejection on the last week. So we have minor hurdles on Bank Nifty. Okay, so until unless these levels are cleared, we might not expect great moves in Nifty for the moment. So we have immediate resistance on top, but if we get a rejection from here, we have high chances for the market to fill this gap immediately. Okay, so with that, okay, we have the weekly levels. So the levels, whatever I give, it will remain valid for the week until unless any major support or resistance is broken. Is tested already. We have a gap up scenario in case of SGX Nifty. So in case of Nifty, what we see here is it is on a gap up of 98 points. So okay, so we are on a major resistance. So what will happen tomorrow? Okay, in case if we are getting a gap up scenario, I would expect a selling from top. If I'm getting two 15 minutes candle rejection, for sure I advise or I'll be going for a short trade. Okay, so keeping this one, so my target will be 18178. And still there is no clear move. So only if I'm getting a two solid green candle closing above this range, then only I will suggest anyone to go for a long trade for a target of 18500. So this is a critical scenario at the moment. Like this happens every time whenever market is making an all-time high. And in case of Nifty, what we see here, we have already, this is the first all-time high which happened in 21. Immediately they tried to come up, it got rejected. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth time. And we have a simple logic like market is supposed to break any trend line for the fifth time. So it has broken here already, and this is the resistance what we have at the moment. Okay, so if we get a solid breakout on top above 18235 on a Nifty spots chart, we have high probability for Nifty to touch 18500. And if we get any rejection below 18235, 215 minutes candle, I would like to go for a short upon retracement. And I will not go for short immediately below this level because this is a previous resistance which was broken. So market has a tendency to retest this one, and there is a possibility for it to go upwards. So I wouldn't advise anyone to go for a long immediately above this level. So kindly wait for the price action to happen. Okay, so these are the levels for Nifty at the moment. So in between these level, I will advise this is a totally a no trade zone. So I will not request to anyone to trade in this index at the moment until the high and low is broken. So if anyone who is entering into a trade, they can do scalping and they can get out. If not, I advise not anyone to go up aggressively without any confirmation. So this can be the first support, breaking this levels only. Market can be bearish. If not, the trend is bullish to sideways movement. So these are the levels for Nifty, and I advise traders not to be aggressive at the moment until high or low is broken. So do not lose your hard-earned money. So be conservative and be profitable. And I request the viewers kindly please subscribe the my YouTube channel and kindly enable the notification icon so that if I come with any of the new videos which is related to index analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, or even I have advised, I will be coming up with a new smart money concept, which will be very much useful for intraday traders to swing trade traders. So if you have, so I request the viewers to kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and enable the notification icon so that if I come with any of the So if I come with any of the new videos, yeah, you'll be notified. And also I have promised in my last video that I'll be coming up with a smart money concept, which will be very much helpful for mainly for swing traders and short-term traders. And this will also be useful for intraday traders only when they are successful in swing trading, because intraday is not that easy. But still following the smart money concept, one can easily be profitable and they can trade with the big institutions without making any losses. So I request you guys to please subscribe and enable the notification icon. So I'll be coming up with the videos very shortly in a day or two. So following this, let's go into Bank Nifty charts. So even here, one can see very clearly, as I have promised on, sorry, as I have made an analysis on this thing. This is a no trade zone very clearly, and it's very visible in the charts. Like 25th market open, gap up, fallen. It stayed sideways only after 2:30. It gave one side move. Again on 27 sideways, only on 28, 20, sorry, 2nd November, 28th October, and 3rd November, market gave little bit of moves. If not, if you see, it was a whole tight range. It was sideways. So only option sellers would have been very much profitable in this week. Okay, so let's go with the ranges for the upcoming week. Okay. So to begin with, I'll start with the weekly chart. What we could see here is two doji candle in a row. This is a very clear rejection on top. It's totally indecisive. Okay, whatever the bias which they have come here, it has got neutralized and there is no clear trend over here. So at the moment, what we can see here is this high or low has to be taken out. Okay, guys, so kindly mark the high and low of the current level. Since this is on a weekly chart, once again, option writers, they can make use of this level, keeping 4800 as support and 41,677. We have a 800 points range in this Bank Nifty. So this will be very good for option writers and any option buyers. Kindly do not hold your positions for too long. If not, the premium will melt like anything in 15 to 30 minutes very easily. So option traders, if they want to go into this position, kindly make a note of these levels 41,677 and 4,800. Only above these range, above and below these ranges, it can market can be trendy. Okay, so what we see here, Bank Nifty is struggling a lot to make all-time high. So they came very close and they just dropped off with 170 points close enough. So these are the important levels for Bank Nifty at the moment. So from intraday's perspective, what we see here is the levels what I have given in the last week. This could be the important level at the moment. 39 247, 317 is a very strong support. So if market comes here, one can go for buying based upon the rejection candle, which forms here. As I said, two solid bullish candles. One can go for long. And this can be a minor support where one can go for a scalping, quick scalping, and they can gain some points. And this could be a minor level. So look for the price action to happen in this area, price action, or as I said, look for any rejection candles, hammer followed by a green bullish candle. One can go for a long here. And once again, this can be a quick option scalping point. But whereas in the upside, we don't have any strong rejection at the moment because this was a strong supply, but it was tested already twice. So for the market, there is very less chances to come and get rejected here. So if you get to any solid rejection from here, one can go for buying. So option buyers, if any two 15 minutes candle, if they survive above this level, 41,414, the immediate target, it could be around 41,677. And since our all-time high is also very close, if market is holding above 41,474, market will make a quick move in this week. And guys, don't be too much aggressive in this area to do any short because market is very bullish and market can give, excuse me, so market can give one green candle followed by that there is high possibility for stop loss hunting. They might give a rejection candle. They can come for one round of sell and from there they can go up. Okay, so don't get trapped in this move. So kindly have a look of this level and initiate your trades. Okay, so at the moment, the important levels are market has closed around 41 to 92 levels. So the immediate resistance or the supply it can be 41,475. And if you get a two candle closing, immediately you have a 200 points target. So if you get two green candles, you guys can surely wait for retest to happen, and this can be your immediate target. So there is a high probability one can grab 200 points immediately with high conviction with this trade setup. So these are the important levels for at least for 2 days. And I'll come up with the videos in very shortly, like in 1 or 2 days, because there is a high probability chance for market to break the all-time high and sustain. If not, if we get a strong rejection, we can get a downside move. So based upon the next 2 days movement, I'll come with a new video. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. And as I said, I request you guys once again, please subscribe my YouTube channel and enable the notification. And I'm coming with smart money concept or how to trade with banks or high probability trade setup. You can call any of these names. I'll be coming up with this new video as a part of education series. So do subscribe and enable the notification button. So you guys will be notified and you guys, I'm sure those concepts will be very much useful and you guys will be profitable by following those methods. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't be aggressive. Currently, market is in a no trade zone. So I request you to guys to wait for price action to happen, look for confirmation and go for trade setup. Okay. Thank you.